Hi guys, welcome to another video with me as a plays Whitey, and today you're gonna meet my kitten called Willow. She's a little kitty, she's a little girl. She's really adorable, and we're just on the trampoline at the moment, aren't we? Aren't we, baby? Yeah, she's my little kitten. She's really cute. She's 8 months old, and sorry if you can hear stuff in the background. It's just my friends playing, but she's my cute little baby. You're gonna look at the camera. You're gonna look at the camera. You look at the camera, Willow. Yeah, you can look at the camera. Yeah, this is my really cute kitten. Yeah. I can also do a front flip. I'll try and record that. I just hope to God that it won't move. Yeah, it'll definitely move. Sorry guys, I'm trying to record my doing my front flip and landing it. It's definitely gonna move. It might not. I can do one. I can do one. Oh, sorry guys. Hi. So, just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys think my cat Willow is cute, and I'll see you in the next video.